Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, at sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita.
Ano siya very strong and intimidating talaga at first. Pero sabi ko nga, I love challenges and taking the risk. So that's why I pursue her then. And ano din, matagal pinag-pray na maging handa na talaga for our new relationship. It's now or never.
Charot lang. Charot, syempre, eksena tayo. Wala mas eksena si ate. Kunyari, umiyak ka. Ay, ganun ba yun?
Loves. They say love can't be calculated. But every time I run the numbers, the logic always points to you.
Now, Paolo and Leslie, God's presence in your relationship is the only thing that can help you overcome the challenges of marriage. May kanya-kanya kayong strength. So through teamwork, pwede kayong magkatulungan in fulfilling the purpose of God.
So kailangan ko magtrabaho ng 2 at 3. Tatlong trabaho to
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Marami na uling picture ang gagawin ko sa kanya.
Kaya naman napapabalik sa dinami-rami ng mga tao.
Hi Loves, we are finally here in front of God, in front of all people na nakawitness ng journey natin. We are here exchanging our vows and proving our love. I will always be your Loves. I don't promise, but you know I commit. Loves, kakampi mo na ako. Don't ever feel na you are alone. Alam ni Lord yun kung gaano ka nakamit. I love you so much. Your Loves, your Sherlock and Holmes. Shinso Sasageyo.
Nahanap kita.
Paolo, I vow to keep choosing our covenant to the Lord, and as we meet Him one day, I will surely rejoice knowing that our love was a reflection of His, faithful, enduring, and eternal. Mahal na mahal kita, my lalabs.
So you may now, both of you, you may now Kiss each other.
Sa dinami-rami ng
Kiss the bride.
pwedeng mangyari, ikaw lang
At umarap kayo sa kanila at kumaway kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.